Oh my goodness, snack, I cannot wait to eat you. I see carrots, I see celery, I see peppers, all types of good stuff. Anyway, here we are getting ready for your first checkpoint tomorrow. Please make sure that you have the review problems from the Schoology page. If you don't have this in front of you or on your screen, stop and go and get it from Schoology and make sure you have it. That being said, this video is going to talk about review question 1 and question 2. And then there's going to be another video for the other 2 questions. So, question 1, a segment is rotated. So we're talking about a rotation, right? About a point that is not the origin. So if it's not rotating around the origin, that means it can't be a 180-degree rotation. Which graph shows a segment and its image after a rotation and no other transformation, so just a rotation? The idea here is we need to see which one of these pictures shows us something that could have been a rotation. So this is a pretty straightforward question because a rotation can move things all types of directions, all different places. But we know that the original and the rotated image have to be the same size. So we can just see in A, for example, let's say that this one is the original. The original is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say it got rotated here, 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So this can be a rotation because the original and the rotated image are the same size. Let's look at B. Here's the original segment. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this could also be a rotation. Let's look down at C. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, this can't be a rotation because the original and the rotated are different lengths, and we know the size doesn't change. So this is out. So all you have to do is look at these last 2 choices and see, is the original the same as the rotated image? This one's pretty obvious. And then you can look at E. Original, rotated. Okay? Second question. Angle LMN has a measure of 45 degrees. Okay. If the angle is rotated 65 degrees about point M, what is the measure of the rotated angle LMN prime? So let's see. We've got angle LMN, and we know that the angle is 45 degrees. So the angle is rotated 65 degrees. That means this thing turns in a positive direction, 65 degrees. But what do we know? When we rotate, when we translate, when we reflect, size doesn't change, angle doesn't change. You can move this thing all over the place. That angle is not going to change. So what is the measure of the rotated angle LMN prime? Angle LMN prime would still be 45 degrees. Okay? Next video is about problems 3 and 4.